I've already tried recording this once, and I messed up with the camera and stuff, and it completely just got rid of all of my progress on my laptop. So that's always nice. Sorry, my this my light over here decided it wanted to be complicated today. So yeah, we are going. Okay, we've been on Bloxpert. We've been trying to get on Bloxpert. Um, I'm at my desk right now, like I always am, because I'm never not at my desk. It's where all my makeup and stuff is. It's where I do most of my videos. I have a timer set, so I don't run out of time. So it's just, it always does this. Load. You know you can load. Wait, do you guys see that ad? Ariana Grande, come hang out with me in my new penthouse. I swear, their ads are like the craziest. Their ads are way stupid. I already have it. I already have it. Just load. Oh, I don't know if it's working. That's nice to know. I don't know why it stopped working. But anyways, you guys see this ad up here? It's like an Ariana Grande ad. Come hang out with me in my new penthouse. Oh my god, people, they're, no. Nobody's gonna fall for that. Unless Ariana Grande actually does play Roblox. That'd be nice. Ooh. Okay. If my mic stops working again and it goes silent, just know that my mic went out. And that's why. Oh, it keeps going out for some stupid. Yeah, we're just gonna talk about some things because I feel like some things just need to be talked about. Oh, yeah, that's kind of it. If you can kind of see my username up here. I never used to understand that. I don't know why. My thing keeps cutting out. It's like with Twitch, stupid Twitch. Twitch treats me like crap. Honestly, I don't know why. I didn't do anything. That's nice. Of course, Roblox is not responding. What I was gonna talk about? Yeah, well, I'm trying to miss. Oh, yeah. No, I completely forgot again. I keep forgetting things. Okay. I'm gonna move this down because I can capture more of my face. Um, you can kind of see like my stuff back there. Yeah. Don't mind that. Don't mind that at all. Oh my god. Roblox never wants to respond when I do this stuff. Shall we? That's nice to know. I'm on my phone a lot. Okay. Is that Roblox? What is that? I don't know if that's Roblox or not. Um, oh my god, if my connection didn't actually time out. It just does that when it doesn't want to load. Oh, where's my... It keeps doing that. My grandma sent me. My grandma sent me something. I'm gonna go to full... My mic keeps cutting out. I don't know why. It's stupid. My grandma sends me stupid stuff. Okay. Okay, Roblox does not want to respond. Give me a second, Roblox. Be nice to me for once. You have not been nice to me all day. My grandma! Um, I don't know. Oh, that's nice. Oh, no, no, don't mind my background. Do not mind my background. Sorry about that. Oh, my God. Close it. I've been wanting you to close it. You know what? It just never wants to agree with me. That's the thing. I don't. Oh, that's my Twitch stuff. Don't win that. The squirrel setup. Anyways, don't mind that. My thing does not want to load. I don't know why. Complicated. It's very complicated. That's a lot of people. Okay, Roblox is loading. We're gonna give it a second because that makes sense. All right. All right. Um. My chair is really squeaky. Oh, I hit my. Oh. Anyways, that's really squeaky. Um. Yeah. My chair. It didn't give me the option to wait or not. Oh, stupid. Roblox doesn't want to treat me right today. And I get that. I get that. No, we tried that. I took a video of iced coffee, and if you guys don't remember, I did it with my cousin once. It was the worst decision I ever made. I would have got killed after that video. I would have got killed after that video. I would have literally got killed. No doubt about that. My whole For You page on TikTok don't care. You think I care? It's a bunch of cake videos. I cake my, not cake. No, I don't cake. Yeah, I bake. I meant to say bake. Um, here's all of my friends. This is my cousin. And those are the people. I'm gonna try Arsenal. No, not Arsenal. That game makes me really mad. I mean, I play it a lot, but it makes me really mad. Um, so let's try and see if identity fraud is gonna work for me today, and if not, we'll just talk. Have a little nice little chat. We love that. Oh, nobody. Okay. Oh, there we go. Identity fraud. It was working perfectly fine. There's no reason. I don't even think identity fraud needed a revamp. Like, no. Oh, Freddy. I've already did that. Already did that. Where is it? It's supposed to like. Interesting. I should like. My microphone when it keeps not working. It doesn't want to work. Oh, that's nice. Okay, I didn't see that. This whole video was just trying to get Roblox to work, basically. Because it doesn't want to work. What's your issue? What is your issue? What is your issue with me? I love identity fraud, but with my whole life, I love identity fraud. It's because it's a really nice game to play, and I love it. It always does me right. I'm messing with my drawer because I mess with a lot of things. Stop, stop, stop. Shut up, shut up. Ah, okay. Be that way. What do you mean it's successfully installed? It's been installed, dummy. Oh, so now is it gonna start working correctly? Is it gonna start? Yeah. Please. 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 Anyways, it's. Thank you for once. So yeah. After this starts working, we can just talk for another 3 minutes because that's the time that I have today. Did you just do that? It has been installed. You need me to remind you. Anyways, ha 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 ha. To work. Let's talk. I don't know how. If it's not, then it's better tomorrow. There will always be tomorrow, the day after that. I keep messing up with my words. Oh wait, is it finally working? Is it wanting to work? Is it wanting to? Oh wow. Anyway, getting good. If it's not, I hope it gets better. And there's always the next day after that, or the day after that. Just remember, you're not alone. Everybody loves you. I keep like timing out. I'm sorry. I keep pausing. I got like a minute left. But to like you guys, maybe it'll make your day. Maybe I don't know. I just hope everything's good. And remember, you're not alone. It's all a blessing. And yeah, especially me. I love you. And after this, unless you just ate or something, go take a snack. Go get water. Hydrate. You need food. Food is your reward, and your body needs it. Needs it to live. And yeah, if this doesn't work, then maybe it'll work in the next video if I keep getting it to do what it does. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed me ranting over and over. And yeah. Yeah. I'll see you guys later. Hope you have a great day. Go get a snack, water, hydrate yourself. I love you. Bye.